Alright, so we're hanging out in Wild Arctic for a moment, but we need to get back over to the SeaWorld Theater, which is right there on the map. A little hard to see. So we're going to see if it will tell us how to get there. Hang on. I know we're supposed to do this, so I've forgotten how to do it now. Let's hit shows. Maybe it'll do it that way. Okay. Oh, yep, there it is. So it shows the shows. It says there's no more shows today, but... Oh, it must be the other one? Well, it says there's no more shows, but we're going to take directions because there is a nighttime show. They're just confused. So here's the route. It doesn't tell us how long it takes. I was curious if it told us how long. It doesn't, but that's the route. Bear, would you say this is the most efficient route to get there?
Only if the bridge is open.
Yes, and the bridge currently is closed at 6 o'clock because they're moving barges and things over for the fireworks show. So we got it recording for us, so we're going to go.